Hello everyone, myself Mrs. ROSALINE NIRMALA, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. In this video, we are going to see about the activity-based instruction. So, as we all know that activity-based instruction is nothing but we are giving some activity to the students. From that, we are teaching the particular content. So, activity-based instruction is also divided into two types, student-centered and as well as the teacher-centered also. Student-centered and teacher-centered activity instruction. Okay, now we are going to see about under the student-centered instruction, the first method is simulation. The first method is simulation. So, simulation is nothing but we are bringing the real life situation to the classroom. Okay. For example, nowadays we have so many resources are available to bring into the classroom situations. Okay. So, olden days we ask the students to prepare. So, as the particular student teachers, B.Ed student teachers, we are doing models also. So, there are three different models we are preparing. First one is dummy model, working model, 3D model. We can use to say that also improvised model. So, here the dummy model, we are explaining only the external parts of the particular thing. So, working model is nothing but based on the certain principle, we are doing the working model. The 3D model, as we all know that it is a length and breadth and height, everything we come to know through the 3D model. Improvised model is nothing but from the resources available in the classroom, immediately we are preparing a particular model from the low cost material. That is called as improvised model. So, in olden days, we cannot have that facilities to bring the real life situations. So, from the model only, we tend to know that the particular content to make the students to understand in a better way. So, students also actively participating. But nowadays, we have e-resources are available. So, suppose for example, we cannot see how the flight is take off, isn't it? So, that thing and all we can bring into the classroom through the e-resources are available. So, we are using the PPT, so many things also. Here the simulation is three types of simulation is first one types of simulation. First one is live simulation. Second one is virtual. Third one is constructive. So, third one is constructive. So, there are three different types of the simulations are available. Live is nothing but that is real simulation is explained by the real life situation. Here the virtual is nothing but through the real, that is through the e-resources we are explaining the rituals through the real life situation. So, through virtual simulation, we are explaining the real life situation. Here, the constructive is nothing but it is the simulated life situation is explained with the help of the simulation. So, here, suppose in science also, if you want to see how to prepare a soap, because in chemistry we come across one topic is a soap. So, we cannot always bring the children to the soap factory. So, we can bring that particular situation to the classroom. So, nowadays also YouTube, then so many resources are available. So, through that e-resources, we are explaining the preparation of the soap also. That is also one kind of example to how we are taking the class through the simulation. So, there are advantages to the simulation method also, because in simulation method they are getting more or less the real direct experience. But we cannot say that we also know that when we touch or when we feel something also, we can make better understanding. So somewhat they are getting the real life direct experience through the simulation method, and also the students are actively participating because we are using the innovative method also. Because when the teacher is going on giving a lecture, it is better when we are using the simulation method.